Hello friends, there is another thing that we can do using jQuery. That is, we can manipulate CSS. Yes friend, so in this lecture we will take a look at one way in which we can manipulate CSS. The first thing that we will take a look is add class. This method will help us to add a class to an element dynamically. So let's see. Here inside body, let's write button. So first we will be having a button which will have an ID of click, and let's the text be, say, add text. Let's save it. Now let's open in browser. There you go, we have add text. Currently it has no function because we didn't write any function to it. So let's handle it. $click dot click function dollar body dot append p with the class of course we need to end the paragraph tag, and now inside it let's write, say, I am some text. So whenever this add text will be clicked, this text will be added with the class of red. Now let's see how it works. Now hit refresh, click on add text. See how it is working. Here I forgot to provide a semicolon. Now inside our style, let's write dot red color red. Let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. Now see, all these are red texts. So this is one way to achieve this. Now let's add this class dynamically. So let's not attach any class now. Let's save it, and now let's come out of that click function and let's write $p dot add class red. This is how you can add class to an element using jQuery. Now let's save it. Well, of course we will see how we can do this using jQuery, but you need to wait for this a little bit, where we will add style dynamically. So this time what we are doing, style is already mentioned there, we are just adding a class dynamically. So let's save it, come here, hit refresh, add text. I am some text. It is not working. Let's see why. Okay, so what is happening, this line has been executed before clicking on this, because when your page is loading it parses everything, and whenever you click on this function only this function is triggering. When you are clicking on this button only this function is triggering, and this has already been executed previously. That time there was no p. So let's copy this, let's cut it and paste it here. Let's save it. Now let's add some text. So this is just an example of how you can use add class. Now you can even change this. Let's have another button. Press Ctrl C to copy. Now paste it. This time let's write here, remove red color from paragraphs. Let's save it. Now, in our next lecture, we will take a look how we can remove this red color from paragraphs. Let me check this for now. Yup. So this add text is currently adding red color to the text. Nothing guys, just remember this add class helps you to add classes to your element. Another thing is that it allows you to add multiple classes to an element. How? Just a space and provide the class name, say background blue or say green. Now we are not having any class of background green, so let's mention it here dot background green, where the background color will be green. Let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. Now add some text. Now let's hit refresh. I misspelled that. I'm really mad, I guess. I have misspelled green spelling. Oh no. There you go. I know it's looking very odd. It's looking something weird. So let's make the text white. Now here you need to change the add class. Instead of red, provide white. Now save it. There you go. So this is how you can add class dynamically to an element. Even you can have say p with a class of something or with an ID of something. So you can be more specific regarding this. So this is just the selector which you can change it at any time you want, and here will be the classes that you want to be added to this selector. So that's it guys. Here in this lecture we have seen how we can add class using jQuery. In our next lecture we will take a look how we can remove this red color. Well, we are not having any red color, but we will remove this background green color from our paragraphs in the next lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.